beautiful soul, you're over 50. Maybe you've retired early, or maybe retirement feels far away. But something inside you is still curious. You want more freedom, more purpose, maybe even a second act. And guess what? You're not too late. In fact, you're right on time. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 online business ideas you can start, even with no tech skills and zero experience. Let's get into it. 1. Freelance services. Leverage what you already know. You've spent decades building skills: writing, organizing, teaching, designing, planning, even customer service. What if you could offer those same skills online? Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn services let you get paid for what you already know, but on your own terms. Examples: virtual assistant work, resume writing, proofreading, customer service rep from home, low cost to start, flexible, no inventory, just you, your experience, and a laptop. You don't need to reinvent yourself, just repurpose what you already know. 1. Content-based business. Teach or share online. You don't need to be famous to make money sharing what you love. Platforms like YouTube, Teachable, and Substack let you create content, video, audio, written, and build a small but loyal audience. Do you know how to cook for diabetics? Have a system for organizing your home? Know how to plan budget travel? That's a niche. And people for guides, classes, and coaching. Perfect for those who love to teach or help others. Start small and grow. Your life experience is not outdated. It's valuable. People are searching for wisdom you already have. 1. Print on demand or digital products. No inventory needed. Not a tech person? No problem. Sites like Canva, Etsy, and Redbubble let you create simple digital or physical products, and they handle the tech, payments, and shipping. Ideas: motivational quote journals, printable planners, t-shirts with witty 50+ and fearless slogans, digital downloads, checklists, guides, trackers. No need to hold inventory. You design it once, they fulfill it. You keep earning. You don't need to be an artist. Tools like Canva make it drag and drop easy. And trust me, your creativity hasn't expired. Bonus: why starting after 50 is a secret weapon. Let's bust a myth right now. You're too old to start something new. No, you're not. Here's what you have that others don't: patience, life experience, communication skills, perspective. That's real value in business. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. Final thoughts: you don't need to have it all figured out. Pick one small step from this video. Not all 3, just one. Explore it. Give yourself permission to try something new, even if it's messy at first. You're not too old, you're not behind, you're building something on your terms, and that's powerful. Want more business ideas or encouragement? Check out my video on starting a business after 50, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly support in your journey.